Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to pageless format in Google Docs. Now, as you can see here, I have currently the page, and in order to switch this to pageless, you want to go to your format, and then you want to go down to where it says switch to pageless format. Click on that, then click and switch to pageless. Now, as you can see here, I don't have any pages, and the document is pageless. But if you look towards the right hand side, you have quite a lot of space here. So if you want to change this, it's very easy so that you can utilize the entire screen, right? So all you have to do is just go over to view from the options at the menu options here. And here you'll find text width. You can go ahead and switch this from narrow to full or to wide. So let's say I want to use full. I can do that. As you can see now, my document is now written wide. You can always go ahead and change this to whatever you want. So I can always put it to maybe wide or full or whatever option you want. But that's how you basically do it, guys. It's very easy and very simple. So if you're looking for this feature, guys, and if you like to use Pageless, this is how you can basically use it. And if you want to spread out your text or adjust it, you can always go to your text width and change this to full or wide so that you can utilize the entire screen. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.